Hi there, and welcome to the video on updating your account members' information. Let's get started. Log into your personal account. Once there, head to the Members tab. This is where you manage all the people in your account. If you would like to add a new member, click on Add a Person. Simply fill in some of their basic information and click OK. It's as easy as that. If you would like to modify a person's information or add more, choose them from the drop-down menu here. When we scroll down, we can see the information already provided. Click on Edit to modify their information. You'll see general information here, as well as contact information. You can also see all the information that was filled in the forms during registration, should you need to update one of your answers. Once you're done, make sure to hit Save and you're good to go. See you next time.